River?
Anything is. Yeah.
Okay, let me take a river. The river is one of my best point. One of my best, my favorite concept. The reason for that is, the reason for that is, a river is always going to start from the origin and it's always moving towards sea. Correct, right? All the rivers at the end, where they are going to meet, or all the rivers are going to be joined in the sea. Correct, right? Ocean.
Yes.
All these things are going to. Next in this bigger journey, okay, a river from the origin, starting point to end point until it reaching the ocean, it is required to travel thousands of kilometers. Thousands of kilometers it required to travel. Okay. Now, this river, if you observe, river never going to stop its journey. Okay. Suppose happily it is moving. Suddenly, a bend came, a turn came. Automatically, river is going to turn its path or not? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Is it going to stop? Sorry, man, I can't continue. Here, sudden turn is there. How I can continue? Like either river is going to be stopped. Respond. Either river is going to be stopped. No, it never going to be stopped. Okay, a bend came, then it turned, and then moving forward. Suddenly in the middle, a big rock, something like a hill came. A big rock, something like a hill came. If the river is going to be stopped its journey? No. What it will do is it will go, it will divide. Some part is going that side, some part is going that side, and then it's going to meet again. Have you observed, right? దీని ఏమంటారు పాయిల్ అంటారా ఇన్ తెలుగు వీ కెన్ యూజ్ ద వర్డ్ రివర్ వింగ్స్ పాయిల్ ఒక పాయ ఇట్లా ఎనదర్ పాయ ఇట్లా లైక్ సో లైక్ it is suddenly in the middle broken trees came. Okay, in the river path the broken trees also will be there. If the broken tree came, if the river is going to stop its journey? Never, right? It never. It is always in flow. Maybe sometimes slowly, sometimes speedily, until reaching its destination. Even in the middle of its journey, curves are coming, it never going to be stopped. Hills are coming, it never going to be stopped. Broken trees are coming, it never going to be stopped. So those things are common. It is always going to identify. It's always going to identify its path. It's always going to identify, okay, its own path and then move towards until reaching the ocean. The same way, once you have the goal in your mind, until reaching that goal, okay, you have to keep on moving. In the middle, n number of obstacles are going to come. Suddenly bend will come, suddenly a curve will come, or in the middle a big obstacle came, okay, just like a rock, a big rock came. Okay, how the river is going, you have to move towards your goal without stopping. Sometimes slowly you can move, sometimes speedily you can move, but don't stop your journey until reaching your goal. That is the thing you require to learn from the river. That is a beautiful concept.